Welcome to a world of elegance and tranquility. Today, we're exploring an extraordinary backyard oasis that redefines luxury and relaxation. Get ready to be inspired by stunning designs and serene landscapes. Let's dive in and discover this breathtaking haven. 1. Stunning water features. Water features such as cascading waterfalls, serene koi ponds, or a sleek infinity pool can dramatically enhance the ambience of your backyard oasis. Incorporate these features with natural stones and lush plantings to blend seamlessly with the environment. Choose energy-efficient pumps and filtration systems to maintain clarity and sustainability. Integrate LED lighting to highlight the water elements at night, creating a magical glow. Consider adding a hot tub or spa area for relaxation and enjoyment. The sound of flowing water can provide a calming backdrop, reducing stress and enhancing the tranquility of the space. Ensure the water features are well maintained to preserve their luxurious appeal. 2. Elegant outdoor furniture. Investing in high-end, weather-resistant outdoor furniture is key to achieving a luxurious feel in your backyard. Opt for pieces made from durable materials such as teak, wicker, or powder-coated metal. Plush cushions covered in fade-resistant fabric add comfort and style. Arrange seating to create distinct conversation areas and enhance social interactions. Consider including an outdoor sectional, lounge chairs, and a stylish coffee table. Incorporate throw pillows and blankets for added comfort and visual appeal. Ensure the furniture is functional, with features such as adjustable recliners or built-in storage. 3. High-end outdoor kitchen. A state-of-the-art outdoor kitchen can transform your backyard into a gourmet haven. Equip it with premium appliances like a built-in grill, side burners, and a refrigerator. Include ample counter space for preparation and presentation, using materials like granite or marble for an upscale look. Add a sink and dishwasher for convenience and easy cleanup. Incorporate custom cabinetry to store utensils and cookware neatly. A bar area with stools can offer additional seating and serve as a gathering spot. Use ambient lighting to highlight the cooking and dining areas during evening gatherings. Ensure proper ventilation to handle smoke and odors from grilling. 4. Luxurious landscaping. Thoughtful landscaping plays a crucial role in creating a luxurious backyard oasis. Choose a variety of plants, including ornamental grasses, flowering shrubs, and evergreen trees, to provide year-round interest. Incorporate well-designed garden beds and carefully placed planters to add depth and dimension. Use landscaping features like stone pathways or decorative gravel to enhance the aesthetic appeal. Include outdoor lighting to illuminate pathways, garden beds, and trees, creating a magical atmosphere at night. Incorporate elements like a fire pit or an outdoor fireplace surrounded by lush plantings for warmth and ambiance. Regularly maintain the landscaping to ensure it remains vibrant and well-kept. 5. Customizable lighting. Proper lighting can elevate the ambience of your backyard oasis and highlight its most luxurious features. Incorporate a mix of ambient, cask, and accent lighting to create a versatile and inviting space. Use LED lights for energy efficiency and long-lasting performance. Install dimmable lights to adjust the brightness based on the occasion. Consider adding string lights, lanterns, or wall sconces to enhance the atmosphere and add a touch of elegance. Pathway lights can ensure safety while adding a decorative element. Highlight key features like water elements, sculptures, or architectural details with spotlights. 6. Outdoor entertainment systems. An outdoor entertainment system can bring a new level of enjoyment to your backyard oasis. Install a high-quality weatherproof television and sound system to enjoy movies or music in the open air. Consider integrating a projector and screen for a more immersive viewing experience. Use speakers designed for outdoor use to ensure sound quality and durability. Incorporate comfortable seating around the entertainment area for optimal viewing and relaxation. Ensure the system is installed with proper weather protection to withstand the elements. Use smart technology to control the system with ease and convenience. 7. Private retreat spaces. Creating private retreat spaces within your backyard oasis enhances the sense of luxury and relaxation. Design secluded nooks using trellises, pergolas, or privacy screens to provide a sense of intimacy. Furnish these areas with comfortable lounge chairs or hammocks for a serene escape. Use soft, natural materials and calming colors to enhance the tranquil atmosphere. Add features like a small water fountain or a fire pit for additional relaxation and ambiance. Incorporate lush plantings or climbing vines to further shield these areas from view. Ensure these spaces are easily accessible while still maintaining a sense of seclusion. Regularly update the decor to keep the retreat inviting and fresh. 8. High-end outdoor heating. Incorporating high-end outdoor heating solutions extends the usability of your backyard oasis throughout the year. Consider installing built-in heaters or outdoor fireplaces to provide warmth during cooler months. Use materials like stone or stainless steel to match the luxurious aesthetic of your space. Integrate heating elements seamlessly into the design to maintain a cohesive look. Outdoor fire pits and patio heaters offer both warmth and ambiance, enhancing the overall experience. Ensure that the heating system is safe, efficient, and easy to operate. Position heaters strategically to evenly distribute warmth across the seating and entertainment areas. Regularly inspect and maintain the heating equipment to ensure it functions effectively. By adding these features, you create a cozy environment that allows for year-round enjoyment. 9. Stylish poolside features. Adding stylish features around your pool can elevate the luxury of your backyard oasis. Consider incorporating a poolside bar or a cabana to create a resort-like atmosphere. Use high-quality, weather-resistant materials for all poolside furnishings and amenities. Include comfortable loungers with plush cushions for relaxation by the water. Integrate an outdoor shower for convenience and refreshment. Use decorative tiles or stonework to enhance the visual appeal of the pool area. Incorporate lush plantings and landscaping to create a tropical feel and provide natural shade. Add ambient lighting to highlight the pool and surrounding features during the evening. Regularly maintain the pool and its features to ensure they remain in pristine condition. The overall goal is to create a visually stunning and comfortable poolside environment that enhances the luxury of your oasis. 10. Gourmet dining area. A gourmet dining area enhances the luxurious feel of your backyard oasis, making it perfect for hosting elegant gatherings. Invest in a high-quality dining table and chairs made from durable materials like teak or wrought iron. Use stylish tableware and linens to set a sophisticated tone for meals. Consider adding a built-in grill or a pizza oven nearby for convenient outdoor cooking. Incorporate shade structures such as a pergola or umbrella to protect from the sun while dining. Include ambient lighting to create a warm and inviting atmosphere during evening meals. Add decorative elements like fresh flowers or candles to enhance the dining experience. Ensure that the dining area is well maintained and regularly updated to reflect current trends. This setup should create a refined and enjoyable space for dining al fresco. Thank you for joining us on this luxurious journey. If you enjoyed this glimpse into paradise, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more stunning content. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay inspired and keep dreaming big.